Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cactus flower. I'm using two different green colors yarn. You can use one color yarn as well, it's up to you. Make a knot and chain 4. In the first chain, make a slip stitch to make a small little circle. Now take 2 chains, count it as the first double crochet, and make 12 double crochet in this round. So I'm making 12 double crochet in this round. Round complete, make a slip stitch and complete the round. Now in second round, again take 2 chains as a foundation chain and make 24 double crochet in second round. You have to make 2 double crochets in each stitch of first round. So we are increasing here. So now you can see total of 24 double crochet in second round. So make a slip stitch to complete the round, and you can see I'm going to show you a new method of finishing the round. It will give more neater look. Bring your hook from the back side of your work and pull the loop at the back side, and you can see it's give you a nice finishing. So my second round complete. Now I am going to use a different color, a dark green color, for the outer edge. You can cut the light green color, the first one we are using. I'm not going to use it again, so better to cut it. In this round, I'm going to make a chain 1 first and then slip stitch in each chain. Slip and then make 1 chain, and then in the next stitch make another slip and then chain again. So the pattern in this round is 1 slip, 1 chain, 1 slip and 1 chain throughout in each stitches. I'm weaving the loose end inside, and that's the hardest part for me. So slip and chain 1, and then again slip and chain 1. So keep going until this round is finished, and that's our third round. So keep going, and this is third round complete. Cut the yarn and weave all the loose end at the back of the pattern and cut the extra length of the yarn. So this is done. Now we need almost 5 leaves like this. For the cup or for the pot, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the pot. So you can take any color and again make 4 chains. In the first chain make a small circle, and now 1 chain. We are going to work in the single crochet for this pot, so make 8 single crochet in the first round. Join the yarn with slip stitch. In second round again make chain, count it as a first single crochet and make 16 single crochet, 2 in each, so 2 together in each stitch. Second round done. In third again chain 1, and now you have to make 1 single crochet, and in the next chain you have to make 2 single crochet, 1 separate and 2 together, 1 separate and 2 together. So this time the total of your stitches will be 24. We're done with the third round. Now make the fourth round again, chain 1. This time you have to make 1 single crochet in separate stitch and another single crochet in separate stitch, and then 2 together, 1, then 1, and then 2 together. I'm using small hook because I want the stitch to be tighter. So look at this. So in round number 4 we have total of 32 stitches. I'm not going to increase anymore, just chain 1 and keep going. In the 5th round again 32 stitches. So I'm not going to increase any more stitches and any more round. I'm just keeping the same stitches because now I want to turn the cup the walls of the cup. Now working on the walls of the cup now, so we don't need to increase any, and just keep going until you finish in the desired height of the cup. I did 9 more rounds, and after 9 more rounds my cup look like this. I'm going to show you. Like this. Now in this row I am going to decrease the cup again. What I'm going to do now, 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet again, 3 times. I'm going to take 1 single crochet and then 2 stitches together. I'm going to decrease 1 single crochet in separate, 1 single crochet in separate, and then 1 single crochet in separate, and now 1 loop again in the second stitch together, decrease it. So keep repeating it until you finish the round. In my other round, like round 11, again I'm working in a single crochet. This time I'm going to work again 2 single crochet in separate stitches and then 2 together, decrease. You can see 1 single crochet in each, 1 single crochet in the next one, and loop the 2 different and decrease together. So finish this round and you have total of 11 round after we start increasing the wall. and from the beginning it's total 15 rounds. Now in the last one, just make a slip stitch in the last round, and now we have total of 16 rounds for the cups. Now cup is complete. I'm going to make a soil. Again, same way, we have to make a circle with 4 chains, and then in the first chain make a circle, and then start working 10 single crochet in first round, and now first round complete, and in second round take 1 chain and 20 single crochet, same way 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now in third round make 30 single crochet, 1 single crochet separate, second single crochet, 2 together, 1 single crochet separate, and in second stitch make 2 single crochet together. Total 30 single crochet in third round. I make 4 rounds of this. In the fourth round I had 40 stitches. The same way you are going to increase 2 single crochet together in one stitch, and 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. So same pattern, follow the same pattern, and total is 40 stitches in that one. But you can measure the width of the cup, that if your 3 rounds is enough for you, just make 3 rounds, otherwise keep increasing until you find the desired width. Now I'm going to stitch this brown piece on the top of my cup. First I fill it with the polyester, and then I stitch it with the needle, hand sew it. Now it's time for us to work on the leaves. So stitching is done, you can see now. Now fold the leaf in the half, keep the right side outward, keep all 5 together and stitch it from the bottom of this leaves. Put the thread inside and make a knot. Same way from the upper side of this flower. Join it together, make a knot. Stitch all 5 together. Like this way. Now push all the loose ends inside the flower and cut the rest of the yarn. I took a little chopstick, I cut it in the smaller size and insert inside the flower, and I push it inside the cup. If you want, you can use a glue, and then I put a small flower with the glue on the top of this cactus. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon in my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.